pictures with dots.
The dots we're using are bottle caps.
These caps are from water, juice, milk.
We have enough different colors to make pictures.
I'm making a squid. It's easy to change bottle cap pictures. I changed it into a goldfish.
I think it looks awesome.
My first project was a banana. I am changing it into a bird.
Oh, Ella, that bird looks really cool.
This used to be an apple, but now it's an apple train. So I'm gonna turn it back into an apple.
We want to get all of our bottle caps from the table to the floor. We're planning to do an island with a rainbow over it, and there's water around it.
It's not a bottle cap, but it's a cap. I think bottle caps are really fun because if you make a mistake, you move them again.
Making dot art is a great way to reuse bottle caps.
With bottle caps, you can just change it. Easy as that.
Awesome.
It looks very cute.
You can also watch full episodes and play Pinkalicious and Peterific games anytime on the PBS Kids video and games apps.